Go down here, probably be my last time getting a little cast in before my little man born. Man, it'd be awesome to catch a couple pigs here today. Walk on the dock real nice and soft and slow. Try and catch a couple. I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's worth a couple casts. See, I'm gonna try some Z-Man stuff today. Ain't never fished it, just wanna see. Left hand reel. A lot of people probably gonna be clowning me about that, but never know. A little bit of rain, a little bit of nastiness. We'll go flip those reeds over there. See if one's there. One thing about pond fishing that I've noticed, like, you get real good at methodically fishing stuff over that is a big deal, because like that's how you get good. It is, man. You learn how to really pick apart a place. You know I don't have much time before I have to get my daughter, so I just came here for an hour or so. And I'm just saying, like, you can, I'm gonna put that bait up there and see what it does. It looks in that. Oh. Oh. That's nasty. No time to waste. Gotta go to the next dock. Go at least try. Hadn't been catching them here, man. Gotta be right on the bank. On the rocks, I would think. That's what I thought he would be. That's where I thought he would be. Look at that. Right on the bank. That was freaking awesome. That's where I thought he'd be. Look at that. How awesome is that, dude? I gave him a steal. Got me one. Got me a good one, too. Oh, that's so awesome. That's addicting. That's addicting. Beautiful bass. Beautiful pond bass. I think probably about 3 pounds. Is she spawning? Beautiful. I'll weigh it and see. Oh, it's a little bit of 3 pounds, 3 ounces, so 3 1/4. I'm gonna scale back, get her back in the water. That's fun. That's what it's about, dude. That's why I came out here. So let's see. Get it on back in there. Dude, trying a couple new things. This it's like a new Z-Man bait. The gremlin. I think we got that figured out. I'm gonna put some juice on it. Thing I like about Z-Man products, that one fish didn't hurt it. But I'll also say this about it: you need to make sure when your rigging is superb, you want that to just be in there and poke out when it gets a bite. Alright, only thing I want to do with this, get it juiced up, bait fueled. I don't know if it was, but that was cool. Put my backpack on again. And he was right in that little bitty little area. They like that stuff, man, I'm telling you. Alright, that's cool. Just gonna kind of flip my way around here and see if there's more that want to bite. Ooh, I think I seen some I liked right there. Bluegill, rush pile bluegill. Texas rig will come through the moss a lot better than anything, and I know that, and I've been trying to force feed certain baits and certain styles of stuff, and really all you need to do is just go fish. It's a nice one though. I'm laying my bait up there. Sometimes you'll notice on ponds you need to be methodical. Don't just make long casts all the time. You don't have much water to fish, so long cast theory doesn't really apply that well on some of these lakes. Ooh. There you go. We got another one. Not a big one, but another fish. See, man, gremlin. Dude, I like this bait. Not a big bass, but look, he bit it. Beautiful. I'm gonna actually let him go over here so he doesn't disturb everything I got going. Ain't none of that tree no more, so maybe now I can work that bait down there. Dude, I wonder if I can make a good flip from here to up under that tree. Would be fire to get a bite, I would think. We got it there. Let's see what happens. Alright, see if one's right here. Wind's blowing in. Dude, I used to catch them right here all the time when we were kids. Down by the drain. I do think the wind's blowing a little hard right here though. That's where I need a moving bait. Oh, that's in rock. Yep, I could tell that was in rock. Alright, so one cast. I got one stinking cast in and it did that. Dude, that's frustrating. Alright, what time is it? If it's like 4:40, I'm out. Yep, time to go. Dude, I had fun while I was here, but it's time to go home. That was a blast. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just some straight pond fishing. Wasn't too shabby. I thought I'd have a chance to do something else, but nah, this is straight ponding. If you like this kind of content, bro, do me a solid. Like and subscribe to the channel as we get the heck out of here. I appreciate y'all and love y'all for even watching. And to the next adventure. See you guys later.